How to set up two-factor authentication on Reddit. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to do so on Reddit using a PC. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up a browser or anything else, and you can directly head over to reddit.com and hit enter. And if you're not logged in, you can log in into your account. Now once you are logged in, what we can do is we can basically sign in into your account and log in, and we can look out for our profile picture icon in the top right and click on it. After that, we can just go over and look out for our user settings or go to settings here, click on the settings option and access the settings of Reddit. Now within here, what we can do is we can basically go over and go to the section for safety and privacy. I'll go to privacy for here, and you can look out for two-factor authentication. Otherwise, you can go to account itself, and there also will be finding two-factor authentication under account authorization. So go ahead and find two-factor authentication here. Once you find it up, you can enable this option. Click on this toggle option right here, and we can start it up. So to set up a two-factor authentication, you will need to download an Authenticator app, and to continue, you need to enter a password. So if you don't have Authenticator application yet, you can download one such as Microsoft Authenticator or any other Authenticator such as Google Authenticator as well. After that, you just need to go over and enter your password here and click on confirm. And after that, you can open up your Authenticator application and you can add authentication for your Reddit. So you can just head over and look out for this plus option right here. Once you go ahead and click on that plus option, you will be given an option to basically add up Authenticator for your application. So you can just go ahead and set up that Authenticator. You can look out for this Google Authenticator, this one right here, and go ahead and install it. After that, you can set it up. A unique code will be generated. You can use that code in order to basically add security for your account. So you can just go over and use that method and set up two-factor authentication on your Reddit very easily. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.